Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear students, this is our first lesson of geography, the earth and the graticule. Already three parts I have uploaded on our channel of explanation and I am sharing with you link in the description box. So you will get these videos to see, and after looking this video it is easy to solve exercise for you. Our question number 1 is that place a tick mark against the correct option. Options are given here and we have to tick against the correct option. Our first question is, what term is used for the imaginary east-west horizontal lines on the earth? Dear students, I repeat the question. What term is used for the imaginary east-west horizontal lines on the earth? Options are meridians, international date line, parallels. Our answer is parallels. Now second, what is the shape of the meridians? What is our question second? What is the shape of the meridians? Circular, semicircle, points. Our answer is semicircular. Now our question 3 is that what do the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude together form on the globe? I repeat the question. What do the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude together form on the globe? Okay. Options are angular distance, hemisphere, graticule. So our answer is graticule. Yes. Now our question 4 is that how many parallels are there in the northern hemisphere? How many parallels are there in the northern hemisphere? 90, 89, 91. Answer is 90. Yes. Now next, which circles forms the eastern and western hemisphere? Which circle forms the eastern and western hemisphere? And the options are 0 degree parallel and 180 degree meridian. Second, 0 degree prime meridian and 180 meridians. North and south polar circles. So our answer is 0 degree prime meridian and 180 meridians. Yes. Now 6 is that which circles appears as a point on the globe? Which circles appears as a point on the globe? Options are equator, north-south pole, prime meridian. Our answer is north-south pole. Now 7. How many places on the earth may be located on 45 degree north parallel? How many places on the earth may be located on 45 degree and parallel? Options are 1, many, 2. So answer is many. Yes. Now question second. Observe a globe and examine the following statements. Correct the wrong ones. Some statements are there. We have to correct which are the wrong. Parallel of latitudes lie parallel to the prime meridian. It's the wrong. Correct is parallels of latitude lie parallel to each other. It is the correct one. Second, all parallels of latitude converge at the equator. All parallels of latitude converge at the equator. This is also wrong. Correct one is all parallels of latitude never converge at any of the parallel. All parallels of latitude never converged at any of the parallel. Third, parallels and meridians are imaginary, right? Parallels and meridians are imaginary lines, that is right. Now fourth one is that 8 degree for 65 seconds is a north meridian, that is wrong. 8 degree for 65 second is a north parallel of latitude. Yes, meridians are parallel to each other, wrong. Meridians are not parallel to each other as they converge at the poles. Dear student, here we have finished our question. Now D is answer the following questions. Question D, answer the following question. How will you express the latitude and longitude of the North Pole? C. We will express the latitudes and longitudes of the North Pole as 90 degree N latitude and X degree longitude. That is the answer. Now next, second, how much is the angular distance between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn? How much is the angular distance between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn? Answer is the angular distance between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is 47 degree. What is the answer? The angular distance between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is 47 degree. Now third, using a globe, write down the names of the countries through which the equator passes. Question 3 is, using a globe, write down the names of the countries through which the equator passes. Our answer is the names of some countries through which the equator passes: Colombia, Brazil, Indonesia, Kenya, Somalia, etc. These are the names of countries. Question 4. Write down main use of the graticule. A graticule facilitates determining the location of place on the earth. Yes, dear students, here we have finished our question 3. Now question 4 is, complete the following table. First is characteristics, second column is parallels of latitude, third is meridians of longitude. First is shape. Parallels of latitude shapes are, parallels of latitudes are circular in shape. How are they? Circular in shape. Meridians of longitudes are semicircular in shape. These meridians and longitudes, they are semicircular in shape. Now sides. Size of each parallel is different. See, size of each parallel is different. Size of each meridian is the same. Size of each meridian is the same. Now here we are understanding distance. Distance between two adjacent parallel is the same everywhere. Distance between two meridians is largest on the equator and the same goes decreasing towards the pole. This was the last question, question number 4. Complete the following tables. Dear students, we have seen. Okay, these all questions are there and you will get all the videos of geography also on our channel. Please subscribe it, share it and see all the videos at the end. Thank you.